In this tutorial, we will focus on how to change the crop settings specifically. Click on the Combine icon on the top right corner to access the Combine main menu. Then click on the Machine Settings icon. From here, click on the tool to get to the Crop Settings page. You can switch crops clicking on the Crop Type box. Once you have chosen your working crop from the drop-down menu, just confirm it with the green tick. Switching crop will automatically change the target settings of the combine, since each crop has different specifics. Remember that each crop needs a calibration, so whenever you will need to change crops, always make sure that the crop has been calibrated already. You will learn how to calibrate crops in the calibration tutorial. On the setting name box, you can customize your setting adding a label, clicking on the box to access the drop-down menu. From here, you can add a label, modify or delete an existing one. To create a new crop settings, type on the +ABC icon and write your label on the keyboard. Confirm the name and then choose which one to visualize in the crop settings main page. The starting settings once the crop is changed will always be the factory settings. From this page, nonetheless, you have the possibility to adjust them directly or to get back in the machine settings page pressing the return icon on the bottom right corner.